Hi there! Welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. What should we do today? Something spooky. Let's draw something for Halloween. Here's what you're going to need. A pencil, a pen, eraser, coloring pencils, and something to draw on. Mwahahaha. Let's draw. I love Halloween, so this episode is very special to me. When trying to decide what to draw, I wanted to think of something that would be simple for everyone to do, but also fun. Everyone does ghosts and witches. How about a bat? Start with an oval and then a couple triangles for the ears. Make a few simple curved lines, and look, you have wings. I always like to draw in pencil first. I don't worry if I make a mistake. I can easily erase it and start over again. And trust me, I make a lot of mistakes while drawing. Now don't forget the eyes and the cute smile. He needs something else. I know. Let's draw him in some warm socks and fun boots. The little guy's gotta stay warm while trick-or-treating. I remember having to wear my winter coat over my Halloween costume when I was a kid. Brrr, it was so cold, but so worth all that delicious candy. He turned out so cute. Look at those cozy boots. Now's my favorite part. Grab your pen and start inking. Once the ink has dried, grab your eraser and remove the pencil marks. This looks great. I love it. If you want to color it in, go ahead and grab your colored pencils or markers or whatever you have to color it in. When I use colored pencils, I always go from lightest color to darkest color. I use very light pressure in the beginning and then slowly start to build up both color and pressure. This adds shadow. It takes a while to learn this skill, but with practice, you can figure it out. Myself, I'm still learning, but I'm having a lot of fun. Of course, you can choose whatever color you want for the bat. As you can tell, I chose black because I wanted the socks and boots to be a little bit more festive. I picked purple and candy corn colored boots. I love it. One more. What should it be? I know, one of my favorite Halloween candies. Start with a small curved line on top, a large curved line on the bottom. Connect the two, then two horizontal stripes. It's candy corn! Don't forget to add the eyes and that derpy smile I love so much. What else should we add? I know. Go ahead and add the legs and some arms, and go ahead and add a little jack-o'-lantern. That's right, our candy corn is trick-or-treating. So simple, so easy, so quick. Everyone should learn how to draw this. You know what to do next. I'm so ready for candy now. And there you go, 2 cute and simple Halloween drawings. I can just see these two being the best of friends.
Hi, Bart.
What's up, Carol?
Are you ready for Halloween?
You bet.
I can't wait for trick-or-treating. I love candy.
Me too.
I bet I love candy more than you.
No way.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
How much do you love candy?
This much.
Oh, that's a lot.
So there you are, not just 1, but 2 fun Halloween drawings. Everyone have fun trick-or-treating and have a safe Halloween. Check me out on Instagram, subscribe to this channel so the craft gods will answer your prayers. Like this video, share with family and friends, and as always, comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!
Hey, Carol, did you put something in the brownies?
I brought the potato salad. Jack brought the brownies.
Dude.